Welcome back, people. Children of the corn.
Oh, baby.
Immediately.
There's too much cheese.
For real. You say there's too much cheese?
Yeah, dog.
Never. Never in my life.
I'm gonna poop my pants.
That's so bad. But it's so yummy. He doesn't want more, but my mouth does. Stop drinking, you're taking up more space. Problematic. Problem is when I'm with you. I'm an addict.
Have y'all seen Kung Pao? Fist of Henry or something?
Enter the Fist.
Yeah. My childhood.
Watched it for the first time yesterday and I almost cried. Because it was scary. And it's not supposed to be scary. It's
Oh my god.
I'm
Damn.
so sorry.
Ghost cart, ghost cart.
No product.
Are you mewing?
No.
I think I'm.
Problematic. These my bitches, y'all.
I don't know. That's weird. Good thing Sage throws a garbage around my car.
Oh, they're weirdos.
Do they look like weirdos?
Dog, they are.
Your child looks weird too. He's gonna grow up into a weirdo just like them.
I didn't know.
Oh,
we
we're
were
moving!
Not far. Just right here.
Looked like you were like on horse or something.
On what?
On horse.
Oh,
Only the real ones know.
Yeah, me ever again.
There's a gerbil in here.
You know that one video where they put like people with weird laughs into one room. It's just my laugh, baby.
Thanks for joining us.